Welcome to our series of Falcon video tutorials. This tutorial is about best practices in dry cleaning the aircraft exterior. To perform this operation, please refer to your AMM tasks. Dry cleaning of the aircraft exterior. Specific maintenance for aircraft operating in corrosive ambient conditions. Maintenance of the aircraft exterior. Global maintenance of the aircraft exterior consists in several important steps. Parking the aircraft indoor. Cleaning the aircraft. Applying CIC 1A and paint touch-up. Brightening clad surfaces. Renewal paint. For cleaning operations, Dassault Aviation highly recommends to perform dry cleaning instead of the wet cleaning for two reasons. Compared to wet cleaning, dry cleaning eliminates the need for drying, greasing, lubricating, and CIC Type 2 on condition applications that could be damaged by water. Additionally, the aircraft is cleaned and buffed in one operation with specific products. But remember, dry cleaning does not dispense Type 1A application in paint cracks and brightening operation alike for wet cleaning. As mentioned in our documentation, the specific and recommended products are SKYWASH dry cleaning products. In addition to cleaning, they increase paint durability thanks to their buffing properties. These two products with paint protection are SK310, called Quick Clean, suitable for all surfaces, such as painted, clad surfaces, and windows, which is a cleaning and protection product for light-duty surfaces. And SKYWASH 11304 with Carbon Activator, for painted surfaces only. It is a special cleaning product for extra dirt, carbon, and soil, usually used diluted with a little SK310 to make it more liquidy. These two products provide exterior cleaning and protection against corrosion with a high gloss shine. Dry cleaning products are suitable to remove any de-icing fluid. Please refer to your AMM task, specific maintenance for aircraft operating in corrosive ambient conditions. SKYWASH products must only be applied with a microfiber 300 GSM cloth, as specified in the AMM task. Dassault Aviation highly insists on following these essential operational conditions to perform the operation. Dry cleaning should be performed in a hangar or in the shade, out of the wind. Application surfaces should be dry and not hot. Do not apply dry cleaning product on windshields. As seen before with product's description, only SKYWASH SK310 is authorized for use on windows. SKYWASH 11304 with Carbon Activator being more abrasive. Do not use it on bare metal surfaces. Before the cleaning operation, park the aircraft. Obey the flight control system maintenance and safety precautions. Extend the slats and flaps for maintenance. Inhibit slat and flap deflection. Apply the cleaning solution directly on the surface to be treated in a two-step process. Step 1. Spray the product onto the dry surface to be treated or apply it with a clean microfiber. Spread over the treatment zone, keeping the surface wet, but do not allow the product to run. Wet a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe in one direction with no pressure to remove the dirt, leaving only a thin film to dry. Once the dirt is removed, a light haze of the natural wax with nanotech is left on the surface. Step 2. Remove any excess dry wash product using a second clean dry microfiber or cotton mop head. Buff wipe the surface with even pressure strokes in a back and forth, up and down motion until the surface is free of the residual haze left from the cleaning phase to reveal a brilliant shine that is protected with the highest quality blend wax and sealants. Repeat the operation step by step over the entire aircraft. Spray the product directly on the surface or on a cloth. Wipe gently the product and dirt to leave a thin film to dry. Remove any excess of the dry wash product with a dry cloth. SKYWASH products are suitable for the dirtiest surfaces and guaranteeing cleanliness and protection. When stubborn stains require a second application, repeat the operation. All areas of the aircraft must be cleaned and protected with SKYWASH products, even the most inaccessible. Please do not hesitate to help yourselves to the materials at your disposal in order to reach these difficult areas. The complete cleaning of the aircraft is a team effort that will guarantee an effective and long-term corrosion protection. After the operation, do not forget to perform the application of CIC Type 1A and the brightening for a complete cleaning of your aircraft. Thank you for your interest in our Falcon video tutorials.